Have you ever walked through Target and imagined those simple, affordable pieces looking like treasured antiques collected over generations? Today, we're revealing easy DIY rustic decor ideas that transform inexpensive Target home decor into beautiful vintage-inspired accents. Whether you love rustic farmhouse style, cozy cottage interiors, or timeless home decorating, these budget-friendly decorating projects will help you create a warm, collected home without spending a fortune. Stay until the end for creative techniques that instantly elevate everyday decor into heirloom-worthy masterpieces. Vintage-inspired interiors continue to dominate home decorating trends because they create warmth, personality, and lasting charm. Instead of chasing fast-changing trends, rustic farmhouse decor celebrates natural textures, weathered finishes, aged woods, and meaningful details. The beauty of this style is that even affordable home decor from Target can become timeless with a few creative upgrades. A carefully aged lantern, distressed wooden tray, or antique-looking vase instantly makes a room feel layered, welcoming, and full of character. Not every item needs a dramatic transformation. Look for simple shapes, neutral colors, wood finishes, ceramic planters, woven baskets, candle holders, mirrors, trays, and picture frames. These affordable Target finds provide the perfect blank canvas for DIY home decor projects. Minimal designs are easier to customize because they already resemble classic vintage silhouettes, allowing simple painting and aging techniques to create authentic rustic charm. One of the easiest ways to create authentic vintage style is with chalk paint. Soft white, creamy beige, muted sage, dusty blue, and warm grayish instantly give modern decor an aged appearance. After painting, gently distress edges with fine sandpaper to reveal subtle wear. This simple DIY technique mimics decades of natural aging while maintaining an elegant rustic farmhouse aesthetic that feels collected rather than manufactured. fresh paint alone often looks too perfect. Adding antique wax transforms ordinary surfaces with rich depth and realistic aging. Brush the wax into corners, carvings, and edges before gently wiping away the excess. The darker tones settle into details, creating the appearance of naturally aged wood or antique furniture. This affordable decorating trick works beautifully on trays, candle holders, frames, and decorative boxes from Target. Rustic decorating is about more than paint. Pair your updated decor with natural materials like linen, cotton, jute, wicker, reclaimed wood, and ceramic accents. Layering different textures makes every room feel cozy and thoughtfully designed. A vintage-style vase filled with dried eucalyptus beside woven baskets and soft throw blankets instantly creates the inviting atmosphere often featured in luxury farmhouse home tours and interior design inspiration videos. Sometimes the smallest upgrade delivers the biggest visual impact. Replace shiny modern knobs with antique brass, matte black, or aged bronze hardware. Add vintage-inspired labels, leather pulls, or decorative metal handles to inexpensive storage boxes and cabinets. These subtle details make affordable furniture and accessories appear custom-made while enhancing the timeless elegance found in high-end rustic interior design. Real vintage pieces tell stories through their imperfections. Instead of aiming for flawless finishes, embrace subtle cracks, faded paint, uneven textures, and lightly worn edges. Dry brushing, layering paint colors, or adding delicate wood stain creates authentic depth without making pieces appear artificially distressed. The goal is to capture the quiet beauty of age while keeping every project tasteful and refined. Even the most beautiful DIY project benefits from thoughtful styling. Group objects in odd numbers, vary heights, and combine vintage-inspired accessories with greenery, candles, old books, and woven textures. Leave breathing room between decorative pieces to create a balanced display. This professional home styling technique makes inexpensive decor feel curated rather than cluttered, giving your living room or entryway an effortlessly elevated appearance. One advantage of timeless rustic decor is its flexibility throughout the year. Instead of replacing decorations every season, simply swap smaller accents. Add pumpkins and amber glass for autumn, evergreen branches during Christmas, fresh florals in spring, and lavender or woven baskets for summer. Your upgraded Target decor becomes the perfect year-round foundation, making seasonal decorating both affordable and beautifully cohesive. Creating an elegant home isn't about spending more, it's about decorating with intention. By combining affordable Target finds with simple DIY techniques, you can achieve a custom designer look at a fraction of the cost. Thoughtful color palettes, layered textures, vintage finishes, and meaningful accessories work together to create interiors that appear professionally designed while remaining practical for everyday living. most memorable homes aren't filled with expensive furniture, they're filled with pieces that reflect personal creativity. Every painted frame, distressed tray, antique-inspired vase, or customized basket becomes part of your home's unique story. DIY Rustic Decor encourages you to slow down, create intentionally, and surround yourself with beautiful objects that feel both comforting and deeply personal. Transforming inexpensive Target finds into charming vintage decor proves that beautiful interiors don't require luxury budgets. With creativity, patience, and a few simple DIY techniques, you can build a cozy rustic farmhouse home full of timeless character, warmth, and elegance. If today's ideas inspired your next home makeover, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite DIY transformation in the comments. We'd love to see how you're bringing affordable vintage style into your own home.